not much of a stage dancer. He'll dance in groups. I've never seen him do a solo, not even at cousins' weddings or something. And when he did that, honestly, the first song when it was coming, but as soon as it said "Main college ki ladki," I knew why he chose that song. And then when he came back to the seat, he actually told me that he decided this 1.5 years ago. We met for the first time in 2016. We were 18. First day of college, we were classmates. Initial impressions were we weren't friends at first. We just had mutual friends. But धीरे धीरे we started getting to know each other and we became really good friends.
But nothing in between for 2 years. Third year में something happened and then we got very close together and then the relationship started from there. Hi, are you ready?
80%. You have to come here, no?
You plan to make me wait more?
So much more excited about the marriage. But in that moment, honestly, I hope I'm able to like just be fully present in that moment. But all I know is that like I know the noise will fade and like it'll just be me and him.
बड़ा चिर होया है इंतजार कर दे
See, when you see your child walking in an aisle, it is through your mind or through your eyes, you see the entire film from the childhood till they grown up, and you feel it like बच्चे इतने बड़े जल्दी हो गए, शादी हो रही है, so एंटायर उसका चाइल्डहुड आपकी आंखों के सामने से चला जाता है. 25-26 साल वो पूरा चला जाता है.
ओनू तक के मेरी रूह खिड़ गई.
Wifey. I want her to have that title now. I can't because you've seen them together for so long, you know, in my head, like, you know, ho gaya sab kuch. But then, like, of course not. It's like officially they're married tomorrow. So I think it's going to be emotional.